Does it ever feel like you've been product researching for ages, struggling to find the right products? What do the right products even look like? And it can be especially frustrating when you're seeing all these 6, 7 and 8 figure sellers seeming to kill it all over the internet and do it really, really simply. But what if I was to tell you that those sellers were just like you, but they have a simple step-by-step process that allows them to go from searching the whole of Amazon to finding a specific product that they know will be successful on Amazon? Here at ZonGuru, we know a thing or two about launching products on Amazon and about product research, and we have developed step-by-step guides so that you can easily follow them and launch a successful product without the guesswork. But why should you listen to me? My name is Josh, I used to be an electrician by trade, and I got involved in Amazon since mid-2016. In 2017, I launched 2 products under my first brand. In doing so, I met the guys at ZonGuru and joined their team, and I've been mentored by the likes of Adam Hudson and John Tilley, who have guided me in the best steps for finding products for Amazon. Since then, I'm in charge of the product research at ZonGuru, all the social media products that you see I've found. So hopefully I know a thing or two about product research, and I can show you a few of the frameworks that I use to find products each day that will help you to find your own products. So what are we going to cover today? We're going to cover the product approval process. This is the step-by-step guide and the 4